The options for patients continue to narrow as failure by the NHIF to refund or pay the claims by faith-based organizations is paralyzing operations in the facilities that would have provided a reprieve for those who lack services or finances to afford private hospitals. The Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops says pending NHIF claims amounting to 2 billion shillings have crippled operations in NHIF facilities. And as Mary Mwoki reports, the clergy say they can barely afford to procure medicines or pay salaries.
Even as the grandstanding between doctors and their employers persists, there is seemingly no reprieve for suffering Kenyans seeking health care, as the only other affordable option available was faith-based hospitals, and they too are crippled by the non-payment of claims by the NHIF, making them ill-suited to fully respond to the crisis. The Catholic bishops have slammed the government over its failure to settle its long-standing NHIF debts, saying Catholic-sponsored hospitals are struggling and unable to meet their running costs.
We demand from the government to promptly clear the NHIF debts owed to all facilities that have provided medical services under the NHIF scheme before the transition to the new Social Health Insurance Fund, NHIF.
The clergy have also called for an urgent solution to the ongoing healthcare crisis occasioned by the strike in medics, saying it is causing untold suffering on helpless Kenyans. They have also cautioned the medics against using the lives of patients as a bargaining chip in their struggle against their employers.
The life of a human person should never be used as a bargaining currency. We urge the government on one hand and doctors and clinical officers on the other to seek a working arrangement that does not put the lives of the patients at risk, so that lives are not lost or threatened even during the industrial action.
The Catholic bishops had also decried the high cost of living made worse by increased taxation, noting that a majority of Kenyans are barely making ends meet.
We have urged and continue to encourage the government to improve public participation in assessing its tax regime. We should not intend to raise billions in a short span at the cost of great stress to ordinary Kenyans.
They criticized the government's apparent disregard for the voice of the church in matters affecting the society, terming religion a vital player in the well-being of any society. Mary Mwoki, Citizen TV.